So I'm going to talk to you for about the next 20 minutes or so about some of the things that you need to think about to get your business from A to Z. Notice how I've said Z, not Z, it's Z. Okay, I just want to make that quite clear. Because what I see a lot through networking, I've been networking now for well over 9 years. I think I need a long service medal anytime soon. If anybody's seeing Michael Nagel's out there, please ask him for one, that would be lovely. Is that people go through some really exciting phases of their business and then they kind of hit a wall. So they start their business, they're really excited about it, it grows, they get excited about its business growth, they're thinking about expanding product line, all that kind of stuff, and then it just seems to flatten out. And that kind of passion for pushing your business forward starts to kind of fade away, and that's mostly because people don't really know what to do next. And what I'm going to do is to talk to you about 4 things today that you can focus on to think about taking your business to the next step, to get your business further down that road, further on the road from A to Z. Now, the first thing I'm actually going to talk to you about is this. How does your business make you feel? Because that's really important. You need to think about why you started your business or your career in the first place. What is it about what you do right now that makes you happy, makes you proud, makes you engaged? You need to think about that first of all. It's really, really important. Okay? Because if you don't love what you do, guess what? It shows. It shows in that level of faint desperation when you deliver a 40 seconds, and underneath that 40 seconds is the faint desperation of somebody please buy my stuff, because nobody's buying my stuff. Well, guess what? They're not buying your stuff because you're going, please God, buy it. And that puts people off. And sometimes we fall out of love with our businesses or our careers because we just don't know where to go next. So the first thing that I'm going to talk to you about is actually taking a customer audit. And you might think, what? Well, let me explain that a little bit better. When we start our businesses, particularly, we effectively are loose and easy because we'll take anybody, won't we? You know, anytime, any place, anywhere, we're all a little martini. Because we're desperate to grow the business. So we'll take any customer that comes to us and we take them with wide open arms. And we do all of that stuff of getting a bit underconfident about the value of our product, don't we? And we think it's a new customer. I need to give them lots of extra stuff so that they really love me and they buy this stuff. And that's fine. But one of the reasons why your business might be stagnating is if you've still got those same customers in your customer database. So when I'm talking about taking a customer audit, the first question that you need to ask yourself is, are your current customers still the right customers for your business now?